Hello everyone, and thank you for being here. We've built a real community, one that supports, shares and faces tough realities together. Many of you dream of working as nurses or caregivers in the UK, making sacrifices for your family's futures. Today, we need a frank conversation. It's June 2025, and the landscape for UK nursing and caregiver jobs has changed dramatically. I've spoken to government officials, recruiters, employers, and people just like you. Some thriving, others stuck. The rules have shifted, causing confusion and heartbreak. My goal, cut through the noise and give you a clear reality check. We'll break down the new immigration rules, which jobs are still open, and what's now much harder to get. This isn't about fear, it's about preparation. Think of this as your guide to navigating the new terrain. We'll be honest about challenges, but also spotlight the opportunities that remain. Even in tough times, there are always pathways for those who are prepared. My job is to give you the tools and knowledge to succeed. Let's get started. So, what's actually changed? Let's get straight to the point. The UK government has raised the salary threshold for health and care worker visas, making it harder and more expensive for employers to hire from overseas. Care workers and senior care workers can no longer bring dependents, no more partners or children on your visa. This has forced many to choose between career and family. The government is also cracking down on recruitment agencies, tightening rules for sponsorship licenses. Fewer employers are willing or able to sponsor from abroad, and most now prioritize candidates already in the UK. For entry-level care jobs, the door is nearly closed. It's not impossible, but you must be the right candidate for the right job. Understanding this new reality is your first step. The door to the UK isn't shut, but it's much narrower. The NHS still recruits from overseas, especially for qualified nurses in high-need areas like mental health, intensive care, and pediatrics. Specialization is key. General roles are crowded, but in-demand skills make you stand out. Senior care roles, like team leader or deputy manager, sometimes offer sponsorship, but require proven experience and qualifications. If you're already in the UK as a student or on another visa, you have a clearer path to switch to a skilled worker visa. The system now favors retaining talent already in the country. For new overseas applicants, it's tough, but not impossible if you have the right skills. Focus on specialisms and senior roles. For those inside the UK, the path is clearer. Know where you fit before you apply. Now, let's talk about which doors have closed. Entry-level care assistant and support worker roles from overseas are almost gone. Higher salaries and the ban on dependents have made sponsorship unworkable. Most private care homes can't afford the new requirements and have stopped sponsoring. Be wary of adverts promising sponsorship for basic care jobs. They're likely scams. Private sector general nursing roles are also harder to get unless you're already in the UK and registered. Employers want candidates who can start immediately, not those facing months of paperwork. Those most affected experienced caregivers without nursing qualifications, newly qualified overseas nurses without a specialism, and anyone hoping to bring family. The UK is now much harder to access for these groups. Accepting this reality is the first step to making a new plan. If the UK path is blocked, don't lose hope. Your skills are valued worldwide. Canada and Australia have transparent points-based systems and high demand for nurses and caregivers, with clear routes to permanent residency and family inclusion. Ireland, close to the UK and English-speaking, regularly recruits overseas nurses, though caregiver roles are more limited. The Middle East, UAE, Qatar, offers high salaries, tax-free income and benefits, though not citizenship. These countries are building new hospitals and need international staff. Research each country's rules, culture, and long-term prospects. Don't jump at the first offer. Think about your career and life goals. Every country has pros and cons. Stay open-minded and strategic. Your dream of working abroad is still possible. Choose the path that fits you best. If you're still aiming for the UK, your application must be flawless. Tailor your CV to UK standards, clear, professional, and achievement-focused. Highlight specialist training and quantifiable results. Write a targeted cover letter for each job, showing you've researched the employer. Only apply to employers on the official UK sponsor list. Check it yourself. Use trusted sites like NHS Jobs or reputable care home groups. Avoid random social media job offers. Prepare your documents, passport qualifications, English test before applying. For nurses, start your NMC registration early. Being organised and professional sets you apart. In this market, first impressions matter more than ever. Scams are rising. Protect yourself. Never pay for a job or sponsorship. Legitimate UK employers cover these costs. If someone asks for money, it's a scam. Walk away. Beware of offers that sound too good to be true. Huge salaries, no interviews, instant jobs. Scammers create fake websites and documents. Always verify email addresses and apply through official channels. NHS emails end in nnhs.net or .nhs UK. Watch for fakes. Ask for a video call with the hiring manager. Scammers avoid this. Talk to people you trust before making decisions. Seek advice from reputable organizations if unsure. It's better to miss a fake opportunity than lose your savings. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and don't keep concerns secret. Share suspicious offers with friends or mentors. Your safety comes first. Navigating this new landscape alone is tough, but you don't have to. Mentorship and support services can guide you, helping with CVs, cover letters, and identifying real opportunities. They know what UK employers want and can help you avoid wasted effort. They'll prepare you for interviews and boost your confidence. If you're already in the UK, they can help with switching employers or renewing visas. Support services explain your rights and help in tough situations. Having someone in your corner makes a huge difference. New platforms now connect skilled workers directly with reputable employers, cutting out risky middlemen. With the right support, your UK dream is still possible. Stay informed, seek help, and keep moving forward. Don't give up. Your journey isn't over.